friends, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, I'm Delicia, and here I share home and lifestyle videos such as home decor, tablescape ideas, as well as coffee bar decorating ideas and more. If you enjoy these sort of things, I invite you to subscribe, and don't forget to click on that notification bell so that you're notified when I upload my latest video. And for even more inspiration along with fun videos and interaction with me, I invite you to follow me over on Instagram at Delicia at Home. Today I would love for you to hang out with me as I make a cast iron skillet apple crisp with a side of vanilla ice cream. Of course, when I'm done, I have to get this kitchen all cleaned up, so let's get started. I found this recipe online, and I will leave a copy of it in my description box below. And I may also pin it on my sweet treats board on Pinterest if you follow me over there. But we will just start out with 6 medium apples. These are pink ladies. The recipe will tell you the other kinds you can use. Also use 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 1/3 cup of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, and an 1/8 teaspoon of kosher salt. Once you've washed your apples, you want to core them, peel them, slice them, and put them all in a medium bowl and sit them aside because we're going to make the filling for this apple crisp. Okay, you want to bring your ingredients that we mentioned earlier over to a medium-low heated cast iron skillet. Go ahead and put that butter in there and let it melt. After it's all melted, go ahead and put the dry ingredients in. Whisk that up until it looks about like this. Then pour that over your apples. Mix those apples up with that mixture that we just made in the skillet. Then we're going to go ahead and put everything back into the skillet again and let that cook on medium for about 5 minutes or so, stirring occasionally. For the topping ingredients, you'll need 1 1/4 cup of old-fashioned oats, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 5 tablespoons of cold unsalted butter cut into pieces, 1/3 cup of brown sugar, an 1/8 teaspoon of kosher salt, and ground cinnamon, which you don't see here. You want to have your oven heated at 350 degrees and put your topping on top of your filling. Once you've done that all smooth and it looks all good, sprinkle some cinnamon on top. That was what the cinnamon was for. I didn't show that in the last clip, but then go ahead and put this in the oven and check back in 30 to 40 minutes. Now we're going to get cleaning. We've been living in our house now for almost 23 years, and when we moved in, we pulled out our dishwasher, so we're the dishwashers in our house. Back then it was to save energy, and I know that machines now actually are energy saving, but it was also to increase storage space, which it definitely has done that. And I really don't have a problem washing dishes in the sink, but when I'm extremely exhausted, that's another story. Those Pink Lady apples with the sugar, I'm assuming, made my fingers pretty sticky, so I know the countertops are too. I'm going to use this Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Apple Cider Scent multi-surface cleaner. If any of you have used this, let me know what you think about it below. Between what's baking in the oven and cleaning with this multi-surface spray, this kitchen smells just like an apple orchard. It smells so good. So it's done, everybody. It looks great. It smells great. We're going to serve this with a side of vanilla ice cream. I will tell you, it tasted so good. It is supposed to last about 3 days or so before you have to dump it out. But I will tell you, I don't think it's going to last that long. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like for me to make more like these, give me a big thumbs up to let me know, and I'll be sure to make more for you. And just in case you haven't seen these videos, go ahead and check these out while you're waiting. You guys have an awesome day, and I'll see you next time.